Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. This is LG Soundbar SQC1. This is LG. Life is good with LG. I'm excited. This soundbar is very immersive soundbar, 160 watts, 2.1 channel soundbar with wireless subwoofer, Bluetooth streaming device. You can stream music from your mobile device to this soundbar. You can also hook this soundbar to your TV via optical cable. You can also connect it via Bluetooth. We're going to unbox this stuff, check it out. But before we do that, just gonna give you information about this soundbar. You can order this from Amazon, can order it from Chorus. And this soundbar got 3 speakers, wireless subwoofer, audio power 160, adaptive and optimized audio. It's compact, modern design, and fit visually any living room without taking too much space. It comes with a wireless subwoofer, like I said, to added bass depth. You won't have to worry about hiding mesh wire. Stream music wirelessly from your phone using Bluetooth or your tablet. Bluetooth standby. The soundbar turn on and start playing as soon as you receive audio via Bluetooth. You can use your existing TV remote to control the soundbar. Okay, so basically this is what we got here. So just gonna check this out. And audio processing, Dolby Digital, and you got preset mode, standard and bass blast. Connection, Bluetooth 4.0, input, optical, auxi. So now we're going to check this out and see what is inside. I'm very excited about this soundbar. Beautiful. Now this is the remote control and power cable. This is the wireless subwoofer. There we go. This is what it looks like. Just gonna open this up. This is the power cables. The power cable and remote control. So this is the information pack with the battery. The subwoofer is not heavy, very light, I must say. So you can easily carry it. Nice. This is what it looks like. This is the subwoofer. Okay. Beautiful. This is not heavy, it's light as well. The soundbar. Just gonna open this up. is Bass Blast Soundbar. Are you ready? Here we go. Nice. Look at that. Beautiful. So this soundbar got 3 speakers. Let's see what it looks like. This soundbar is economical and affordable, decent price, £149 here. And you can see I like this got like a bit of a, it's like a plastic grill in the front of it, and so you can see port in optical and USB. So the power cable goes in to DC in. This soundbar is nice, decent. So from here to this end, this soundbar is 66 centimeter from 66 centimeter. Okay, and the weight is 10 centimeter. 66 and 10 centimeter. And the subwoofer is 17.5. Then from the bottom to the top is 30 centimeter. This is nice soundbar. Okay, now to set this up, I'm going to put the power cable on. Okay, push the other power cable inside it. Okay, and this goes into DC in. Okay, and it's in. Okay, and get the subwoofer ready as well. This is the subwoofer. So plug it on to the socket. Plug the soundbar to the socket as well. And get the remote control ready. You can see light is showing here. So this is the remote control, and this using triple A battery. Okay, and this is the remote control. So what you need to do is you need to put negative to the bottom and positive to the top at the center. So switch it around and close it. Switch the soundbar on. Okay, when you switch it on, it will be in it's now currently in optical. Okay, and this soundbar is Bluetooth ready, so you don't have option for you to select Bluetooth. What you need to do is you need to go to your mobile device. So go to your mobile device, okay, and go to connection and select Bluetooth. Switch the Bluetooth on. Once you switch the Bluetooth on, the next thing to do, you need to scroll down and look for this device. Okay, so this is the connect LG SQC1. Now it's asking pairing request. Okay, pairing request, select pair. And it's connected. Once it's connected, you see Bluetooth sign showing that this device is ready. So we're going to test the audio. Now I'm going to use Epidemic Sound. So I'm going to go to Epidemic Sound. I use Epidemic Sound is content. It's music for content creator. So I'm going to put up a link how you can get Epidemic Sound. Go to trending. This is the audio.
Last night I had a dream of us coming together. Last night in my dream I saw unity. I had a taste of democracy.
You can also set Bass Blast.
I felt safe.
This is Bass Blast.
East to the west and south to the north.
This is Bass Blast.
People were living in peace, seeing the eyes of justice everywhere. Every land was thriving with love and prosperity.
Beautiful sound.
And I woke up asking myself, oh, I woke up asking myself, why can't we achieve a sustainable peace? Why can't we have a sustainable future? Why can't we achieve a sustainable peace? Why can't we have a sustainable future? Why can't we? Last night I dreamt of an end to poverty. All nations were growing, all nations stood strong.
Jokes you made.
This is standard. This is standard. This is standard, okay, and this is bass blast. You can also increase the subwoofer. This is increase it or decrease it. Or control it from here, from your mobile device. This soundbar, I'm going to show you how to connect this soundbar to your TV using optical cable. I must say optical cable is not included in the packaging. None of the cable is included, so you need to get the cable separate in order for you to connect this. You can also connect this, like I said earlier, via Bluetooth. Now, to hook this soundbar up, first of all, you need to make sure you plug this from the power socket. I'm going to connect this using LG TV, and I want to connect the optical cable. Okay, so I have optical cable at home. This is the optical cable. Now, to connect this to your TV, first of all, you need to make sure you need to hook the optical cable to opt in. Okay, you will see optical opt in. Okay, push it inside and it's in. Okay, you can see this optical cable. We need to put the other end to the TV. Okay. Now, this is the LG TV. This is 32 inches LG TV that I want to use to set this up. Okay, so what you need to do is, first of all, you need to connect the cable again to the back of your TV to optical digital audio in, and it's in. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is we also need to remember to plug in the TV antenna. The TV antenna goes in here. Now I'm going to turn this around. Okay, so now the next thing to do is we need to plug in the subwoofer to the power, plug in the soundbar to the power, and also plug in the TV to the power. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to switch on the soundbar, and the soundbar is on. Okay, and it's showing us. Okay, you can see it's in optical. Okay, now the next thing to do, we need to switch the TV on. So use the TV remote to switch the TV, and the subwoofer is already linked. Now the next we need to do is we need to go to your TV setting. Is already on. Okay, go to the TV setting. Okay, scroll down to the sound. Okay, so scroll down to the sound. You can see optical out device. So this soundbar, now the next thing to do, we need to just increase the volume using the remote. This is the audio. Okay, then the next thing,
Mr. Speaker, this Saturday is
so you can select bass blast, and this is the standard.
Wonderful about our camp, including our
this is the bass
historic High Street in Guildford with its independent shops.
Okay.
but frequently raised with
So this is
me
the audio.
Abolishing business
This
rates
is
for
bass blast. Then increase the volume.
businesses in the retail, hospitality and leisure sector, and investing billions of pounds through the High Streets Fund and our Town
This
Fund
is beautiful.
to support local communities up and down the country.
SNP spokesperson Stephen Flynn.
Thank you, Mr.
So guys, this is how to hook this up using optical cable. If you're happy with this, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.